Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a short video here, this time working on a 4G e-controls marine ECM. This is a 5.0 Volvo Penta computer sent to me by Steve Heberly. Is from Boatworks of North Carolina. Um, the customer concern was a dead computer, no communication, the bot didn't run, fuel pump driver inoperable. With key is on, the position distributor pulls the spark. When relay is removed with the key on, the fuel pump initiates. Engine will not run, but will try to start at half throttle. I deemed the computer completely bad. It was completely shorted. Let me just show you a picture of this file that I have saved, where we can see the computer was actually dead, no communication. So this is for him and his records and my records as well. But yeah, it was no viable reference, nothing working on. So I completely took it apart and repaired it. And right now I'm running it. As you can see, we got both viable reference and sensor ground because this is, I'm checking the same thing. I got the sensor ground and viable reference 1, sensor ground and viable reference 2. Everything is working good. We got the fuel pump relay, main power relay, all 8 injectors, the signal for the coil or distributor. In this case, it's a EST system, and then all the injectors milliseconds. So everything is working properly. Again, I'm going to show you the reading values. Let me go over to Diacom, which is what I'm using in order to run the computer. These are all the values. The only code that is active is the buzzer open because I don't have it connected. I do that on purpose to make sure the actual computer data is correct. These are the information as far as engine serial, year, so 2000, let's say 2006, and we can see here there is a 5.0. So everything is working good. I'm going to increase the RPM, and we can see that in there. I'm going to go over 3,500 RPMs or so. Let me increase the throttle position around there. And that should change. As we can see, the injectors milliseconds on 4.3 right there. They're around the same in here, so all is normal. I'm going back to idle. I want to just, this is a check after the repairs for him and for my records. So I'm going around 600 RPMs, get the throttle down to around 7%. And then we can see the injection millisecond change, and indeed in my simulator. So I'm going to turn it off, turn everything off. We're going to lose communication, that shows in there. As soon as I turn the ignition on, you'll see the fuel pump prime right here, and then it goes away. That's exactly how it's supposed to be, and then running. And it runs every single time. It starts right away. The computer is fully working, and we can see the fiber reference coming back again. So again, Steve, I will contact you shortly to collect payment and send the computer back to you, fully repaired. Thank you so much for sending your computer to me, and thank you for also trusting in us. As you can see, we can definitely repair all these modules, 100% successful rate on these ones. So as long as you have a computer that is not a lightning strike or a microprocessor is bad, then the rest I can repair pretty much all. All right, guys, I will not take much more of your time. Again, this is just a short test after repairs for a shorter ECM. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.